of the best and easiest ways to learn is to talk with somebody and ask a question, and never approach a question to someone as though you're trying to do anything other than learn why they have a particular opinion they've articulated. And you're not to get into a discussion to make a convert. What you want to do is to learn and not try to make anybody believe what you happen to believe. And be very certain that you don't take this belief business so seriously, because what you want to do is to base what you think or say on maximum extent possible on data or facts. And that's one thing I've always tried to make the young people understand, that you should be absolutely free in asking any question you want to anybody, because nobody is immune to taking questions, tough or otherwise. Certain things are being replaced by something that's better, because the young bucks coming along, they are taught. Do not think that what you are being taught is the best. It's the best that we know about, but you should be absolutely committed to making certain that down your career you make some contribution that advances the capability of delivering the dose to the target, or you find out what other people have thought about it doing, and you keep abreast, not just advancing, thinking that the only thing that counts is what you do, or what is being done by anybody in Tanzania or Harvard or any place else. If somebody has a better idea, you pay attention and get to it.